All right, everybody. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this video, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to give a review of Wavex Black Trim Review Plus. Review Plus, Renew Plus. So, this is the polish for the trims, plastic trims, which you have in your side skirting of the cars. So how to use it? Basically, this is a sponge. This is also from Wavex. I will put the link of both the product in the description. And so how to use it is basically just from the gallon, just put some small amount of the liquid in the foam and apply it over the uh, plastic trims. So as of now I have applied on the back part of it. Front is still remaining, so I will show you the before and after of the front as well. So this is how it looks before applying the polish, and similarly in the similar way it was like in the back side as well. So you can see the black gloss is there. Okay, so now let me show you how to apply this in the tray. Okay, so only this much amount you need to have in your sponge and go through your plastic trims. So before applying this on the plastic trims, make sure the plastic trim is all clean and dry. If you apply it on the wet, so it will like flow away and it will leave the stain marks. So this is how you need to apply. So only the small amount. You can do the half trim using this. So as you can see, if in this part it is like not having that much of the liquid, so it spreads out very evenly all over the plastic trims. So the amount which I showed you earlier, so that similar amount 2 times you have to take in order to do one trim. So it's like 4 into 2, 8 times you have to pull out that small amount. And for the front and rear bumper, it will be like double of that. Okay, so yeah, now this is how it will look. So you can clearly see this is the area where I haven't applied the polish, and this is the area where I have applied the polish. Now today is what, 3rd of May, and I will tell you about how long this lasts. Okay, so it will be like a long-term review of this particular product. All right, so today is literally the next day, and it's 6 a.m. in the morning and it is raining. In the box of the Wavex it says do not wash your car for next 24 hours to let the polish settle down on the trims. So it's not been 24 hours, it hasn't been, and it rained. So let's see after the rain, when it dries out, what will be the condition, how many stain marks we see here in the car. Okay, so I have applied the polish on this trim, not on the lower part, and on this part. This side skirting I haven't applied. All right, so and after that, like, we drove the car too. Let me just put this chair here. So underneath, like, there is a dirt which got collected, and spoiler and all looks good, looking black only. There are a lot of raindrops in the rear bumper, so when it dries out I will do like just rinse it and I will see how many stain marks still remains in the car. Okay, so this is day 2, and not only Tiger, I also applied the same polish in the prongs. So this is the rear bumper. As of now it is parked under the shed, so there is no raindrops falling over the car. So it's been protected, and it's been more than 24 hours for this polish to settle in. So for this one, I think it will be a different experience what we will have in the Kiger. So for this one also, I will see like how many days it lasts. Alright, so today is 8th of May, and I applied this polish on 3rd of May. So it's been 5 days since I have applied this polish. And this car was not parked under the shed. This car was parked right here. So it rained 2 times, and it faced all the sunlight. Okay, so now this is the condition. You can see all the stain marks from the rain. So lines are there, but over the area where there are lines, it's not like it's completely like it was like when I was applying the polish. So it's much more better than that. And from behind, if I show you the rear bumper, you can also see some of the raindrop lines, the stain marks there as well. But still, it's better than what it was when I was applying the polish. So this is the long-term review of this polish. So according to the box, it says do not wash the car for next 24 hours, let the polish settle in. So in this one, the polish didn't settle for 24 hours. It rained because it was parked outside. There is no shed, but still it is holding on pretty good. Here you can see these are all the like dust particles. So if I okay, let me show you one more thing. If I run my finger over it, you can see this black polish coming on my finger. So it is happening because I didn't give enough time to settle it in. So that's why this thin layer of polish is coming off. If I let it settle for 24 hours without any rain and dust, so this polish will like merge with the top layer of the plastic panels, and it will give much more better result, and it will last further longer. So it's been 5 days, it lasted 5 days, and it will last furthermore. All right, so today is 21st May, and you can see the condition of front and the rear. So as of now, there is a lot of dust. So let me just remove this dust. So you can see these are all the dust. And now this is the gloss after how many? I applied this on 3rd May, I think, and today is 21st, so it's been 18 days. So I think the polish will last more than a month in your car. So it rained, there were stain marks, and now the stain marks are gone, but it's still, you can see, I think it is not visible on the camera, but there are still some of the raindrop stain marks are there. But yeah, overall I think it's a great product. So overall review of this polish, from my side, it's really good, because very small amount you have to take from the big can, and you have to apply it gently all over the parts, so it's very easy to use. So I will also recommend to go for this product and have it in your car detailing section. And yeah, links for both the products, the sponge and the liquid is there in the description box. If you are interested in the same product, you can check it out and order it. And this is it. This is all about this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.